I'm kind of excited about this. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of excited about this. I've been wanting to get back out in the field. Literally, that sounded wrong. The field? Really? Really? We're not picking cotton, okay? We're not picking cotton. Chill out, okay? We're doing something else. I'm going to start a landscaping business from scratch. Now, hear me out. I just got inside. I didn't just get inside. I got inside about 2 hours ago from mowing my lawn and trimming my hedges, my trees. Like, if you guys don't know, I'll put a picture up here, but I have 17 acres. About 2 acres of it needs to be mowed regularly and maintained. The rest of it needs to be brush hogged and just kept maintained, but not like anything crazy. And I was out here mowing, and I love mowing. I really do. I love mowing. I love turning, like, it's like a haircut. Like I used to cut my own hair. Like I love seeing something turn from like raggedy to pristine. And I was like out there mowing today, and I don't have a ride mower. My ride mower broke, so I've been thinking about buying a new ride mower, a new zero turn. And I've been hesitant because they're just super expensive, and like I don't use it that much, but I really want one because I just enjoy it. So as I was mowing today with a push mower, which takes forever, by the way, I was like, I've seen so many YouTube videos of people who have started lawn care companies and like made hundreds of thousands of dollars. You know, they're making $600 a day. They're making $20,000 a month. They're making $1 million a year. First off, I'll just be honest. I call BS. I just call BS. Right. I've run a construction company. I have a cleaning company. I do online, and like, I just call BS. So what I decided to do is I'm going to start a lawn care company. I'm going to do it. I came in here. I've been inside for about 2 hours. I created a logo. I created a brand. I created a website. It took me about 2 hours. Super simple. I've done this a lot. I'll put the logo up here. It's going to be Green Duck Lawn Care and Services. And the website is going to be greenducklawncare.com. And I'm going to do it. So I'm going to go out and I'm going to buy a zero turn. I need to buy one anyway. I was going to buy one for my personal use anyway. So what I'll probably do is I'll just buy a little bit bigger zero turn. So by the way, any suggestions in the comments of what zero turn I should get for doing a company like this, let me know. And I already have a weed whacker. I already have hedge trimmer. I already have a lot of the other stuff. If you guys don't know, I built my own house from scratch. I used to do excavation. I used to do like heavy machinery operations. I used to actually do landscaping. So this isn't new to me. Like I've done this stuff my entire life. I've built homes and done everything from the landscaping package to the remodel. You know, I've done excavation, whether it be on vineyards, whether it be on hardscape, retaining walls. I've done the work. I've never created the company to do landscaping. So I'm creating the company, and I'm going to strictly stick to mowing lawns and lawn care type of offerings first. So weed pulling, lawn maintenance, you know, fertilizer, planter beds and mulch cleanup, leaf cleanup, stuff like that. Just your basic, just which if you were in high school, that's what I'm going to start. The only difference is you could probably ask your dad to borrow a mower, and I have to go buy my own mower because my dad doesn't have a mower and he lives in California. So I'm going to bring you guys along on the process of me seeing, experimenting, if you can actually make money with a lawn care business. Now, I want some help from you guys. If you can leave in the comments what ride-on zero-turn mower I should get for this idea, which would be the best bang for my buck. Also, if you can give me your tips and tricks on how to get clients. My thing is I live with a bunch of ranches. Like I live on a back dirt road. There's a bunch of ranches that need fence cleanup. Like they need their fences mowed, their fence lines cleaned up, maybe some Roundup sprayed under their fence, stuff like that. And I'm just going to post on the Facebook page and say, hey, anybody need, you know, roadside cleanup for their property, grass mowing, weed whacking, Roundup under your fence? Like, does anybody need that? That's going to be my first step to try to gain a client. My next one is going to be, I'm going to go to Vistaprint and print out some flyers, and I'm going to go walk around the neighborhood, right? Because here's the thing. I go to the gym every morning, and I'm working out. And I'm like, dude, I could jog and drop off flyers at clients' doors as my workout and potentially make money. Like this could be fun. This is going to be a fun experience. Let me know what you think about this idea. Leave it in the comments below. I'm going to update you guys. I'm going to put together a plan tonight. I'm kind of excited about this. I'm not going to lie. I'm kind of excited about this. I've been wanting to get back out in the field. Literally, that sounded wrong. The field? Really? Really? We're not picking cotton, okay? We're not picking cotton. Chill out. Okay, we're doing something else. No, but seriously, I've been wanting to get back out, in the industry, in the service-based company. Like I did construction pretty much my entire life. I did football my entire life. I've been surrounded by groups of people at all times. So I think it'd be really fun to build a construction or a lawn company. My brother lives here. He doesn't have a job right now, so I'm like, well, I'll give him a job. My brother can work with me right now while he's figuring stuff out. I have another other couple subcontractors that I used here for some of the flip houses that I've been doing, and they usually look for extra work. So I have a lot of resources here. Let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comments. Give me your idea. Give me all this other stuff, and let's see what happens, man. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Ring the bell so you get notified when I drop the next video to see how far we can take this thing. Much love, y'all.